Good morning.
How are you all
Oh,
doing? Hello, how are you all doing this morning?
good.
I'm glad to hear that. Let's see, who do we have in class? I do like if you put on your videos or your cameras so that I can see your faces. It's always nice to see who you are speaking to. Let's see, Anastasia, good morning. How are you doing?
Good morning. I'm I'm good.
I'm
And
glad to
you?
hear. I'm also well, thank you. Maria, but I think you're the teacher, if I remember correctly.
Hi, yeah, I'm
Yes,
waiting for the students to join.
thank you. I do appreciate. Zlata, am I saying your name correctly?
Yes.
Okay, how are you doing?
Good.
I'm glad to hear that. Then I have somebody whose name just shows as iPhone. Who's that?
Hello.
Hello, to who am I speaking?
To Zlata.
Another Zlata? Do we have two
Yeah.
Zlatas? Okay, Zlata 1 and Zlata 2. And then I have Ilya. Did I say that correctly?
Yes.
Ilya, are you well?
Yes, I'm good.
I'm glad to hear. And who do we have over here? I've asked you to unmute. I can't pronounce this name. Okay, let's see who else. Arina. How are you doing, Arina? Okay. Today, we are going to speak a little bit about a healthy lifestyle and certain sports and things that one can do to keep healthy. Okay, are we ready to start? Let's see what our first slide is all about. Different kinds of sport. Who knows what the sports are that are shown in the pictures below? Who can tell me any of the sports? Let's see if we can guess
American
them.
football.
American football is the first one. Well done. Okay, what other sports can you recognize? Over here, dancing, where? But that is definitely a sport. I don't see the picture though. Okay, let's see. What other sport can you
Volleyball.
recognize?
Tennis.
Volleyball over there, volleyball and tennis. That's
Tennis.
right. Tennis, that's right. I know volleyball is very big in Ukraine, and a lot of students play volleyball at school as a school sport. What else do you see? How about some ice hockey?
Hockey.
That's right. We get ice hockey and we get normal hockey. Snowboarding. How about some boxing and table tennis and weightlifting? And who can tell me this sport over here? Who knows what we call that sport? Badminton. Who's ever heard of badminton? Anyone? Anyone know what badminton is?
No, I don't know.
Okay, well, I'm going to show you. what badminton is and what we use to play badminton with. Our first question. Do you do any sports, or how do you get exercise? Who wants to answer this one for us? Who does any sport at school? Somebody must do some sport. Okay. Zlata, are you going to answer the first question for us, please? What sport do you do at school? Do you do any sport? Arina? What sport do you take part in? Volleyball. Okay. And what else? Only volleyball.
Football.
Football. Okay.
That's all.
That's all. And how many times a week do you do sport? How many times do you go every day or only on certain days? Anastasia, what about you?
I play volleyball at school, sometimes badminton.
Oh, okay. So you also play badminton.
A little bit.
Do you play volleyball every day or only certain days?
No, 3 days a week.
3 days a week. And in which team do you play? Are you divided into different teams?
In my team,
Okay. And how many people play in a volleyball team? How many people are in your team? I'm not sure. Is it
sometimes it's a lot of people. Sometimes no one
okay?
wants to play.
Okay. Let's see who else we have. Okay. Ilya, will you please read the second question for us and answer?
Which sport do you enjoy watching on TV? How much time do you spend watching them?
Do you ever watch TV, sport on TV?
Yes,
What do you like
yes,
watching?
I watch football.
Football.
Yes.
And do you also play football
Mm,
or not really?
no, not really.
You only like to watch football on TV. What sport do you like to play? What is your favorite sport?
Swimming.
Swimming. Okay, but now it's a bit cold to swim. Some of my students told me that it's very cold in Ukraine at the moment. Is it still very cold?
Yes.
On Thursday, when I had a class, one of my students said that it was minus 10 degrees. Is it still that cold?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, so now we especially need to play some sports so that we can keep warm as well. Thank you, Ilya. Okay, who's going to answer the next question, number 3, for us? Who do we have in class as well? I'm going to ask, I've asked somebody to unmute and I don't know how to pronounce your name. Yes, what is your name, firstly?
Nazar.
Zahar? No?
Nazar.
Nazar. Ah,
Yes.
Nazar. Okay. Will you read number 3 for us, please?
Have you watched any sports like it's a sports ground or stadium? How was the experience? Was is better than watching on TV? Yes, I've been to a live football match. The atmosphere was amazing, but watching on TV is more comfortable.
I agree with you. And it is a nice experience to go to a stadium to watch a football game or to watch any kind of sport. But when you watch on TV, you actually see a lot better. Have you noticed that? When you're watching in a stadium, you can't always see everything that's happening. But on a TV match, when you watch on TV, they have replays and it makes it easier for us to see what's happening. Okay, thank you, Nazar. Let's see who's going to answer number 4 for us. Who can I ask? Who have I asked to unmute? I'm not sure how to pronounce your name. Senia?
Yes.
Hello, am I saying it correctly?
Yes.
Will you please read number 4 for us?
Yes. Is sport important? What does it teach people? Yes, is do sport teach people save their their health body.
That's right. Okay. Sport is important because it has actually many advantages. Sport can teach us how to play together and work together in a team. If we do team sport like volleyball or football, we work together in a team and we learn skills of how to communicate with people, how to get along with people, and how important it is for each one of us to do our part. Because if everybody works together, then the team can be successful. Also, sport teaches us to have discipline. Discipline is when we continue to do something even when it's not always fun. Sometimes we don't feel like going to do our exercise or to do our training or to attend our training sessions with our teammates, but discipline teaches us that we need to go despite how we are feeling. Let's see who's going to answer number 5 for us. Who do we have? Okay, Zlata, number 2.
Yes.
Will you please read number 5?
What are extreme sports? Have you tried any of these?
What sport do you play, Zlata?
No, I do swimming.
Swimming. Okay, and what else?
No, 4 years ago I did figure skating.
Wow, figure skating. That is a beautiful sport.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but why 4 years ago? What made you stop doing figure skating?
I don't remember.
But did you enjoy the figure skating?
Yes,
Okay, maybe one day you can start again.
maybe.
Okay, you say you do swimming, but that's a summer sport. Do you currently do any winter sport?
No.
Not. It's too cold.
Yes.
Thank you, Zlata. Okay, Arina, will you do number 6 for us, please?
How are sport and e-sport electronic sport different?
Have you ever heard of something like e-sport? Do you know what e-sport is? Arina,
What?
have you ever heard of something like e-sport?
Sound like?
No, e-sport is actually when people play like video games. So it's not real sport that they participate in. They do electronic sport and they play like people would play video games against each other. They do sport against each other through means of a computer or an Xbox or some or other electronic equipment. Have you ever heard of something like that? Have you heard of people playing e-sport? And do you, okay, I've explained to you what e-sport is. When people play,
Not good.
I beg your pardon? Could you repeat?
Not good, not bad.
Not good, not bad. Okay, that's an interesting answer. My opinion would be that if you don't physically do the sport, then I can't really see what benefit it would have. So you say it's a 50-50. Not good, not bad. Okay, interesting. Thank you for your answer. Our last question. Who wants to answer our last question? Let's see, who have we not had? Has everyone had a turn to answer? Anastasia, I haven't heard from you in a while. Will you do number 7 for us, please?
How do you usually feel after exercising? Can it make you happier? Maybe yes.
Yes.
I feel better, I think, and a little bit tired.
Then you know you've exercised well. If you feel a little bit tired, then you know you've done your part. Exercising releases certain feel-good hormones. It has been established as facts that doing exercise really does make us feel more happy. And we need that to keep our mental health in a good condition so that we have a general overall feeling of being happy. So yes, we get rid of stress when we do exercise. We look after our bodies while we do exercise. So it has health benefits, it has mental health benefits, and we keep fit during exercise. And that makes it all worthwhile. Okay, before we go on to the next slide, I am going to ask everyone to quickly exit the Zoom meeting and re-enter so that our next 40 minutes we have uninterrupted. Okay, so if everybody will quickly leave the Zoom meeting and re-enter on the same link, I will see you back in class in a minute. Thanks everyone. See you now.